In this video, you'll learn how to create a calendar in Notion. By following these instructions, you will set up a functional calendar to help manage your schedules and tasks effectively. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, ensure that you are logged into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. After accessing your Notion workspace, type in the title of the page where you want your calendar to reside. This title can reflect the purpose of the calendar, such as project deadlines or personal events. Once you have entered the title, click on a blank space within the page to ensure you are ready to insert new content. Next, type /calendar into the blank space. This command prompts Notion to recognize that you want to create a calendar. As you type, a drop-down menu will appear showing various calendar options. This feature allows you to quickly access the calendar creation tool. Once the drop-down appears, click on Calendar View. This action will create a new calendar block on your page. You should see a calendar interface appear, which allows you to start adding events and tasks directly into the calendar. To explore additional functionalities, click on Document Hub if you wish to see another example of calendar usage. This feature can provide you with inspiration and ideas for organizing your own calendar effectively. Now, click on the Get Started button. This option typically appears on the calendar block and will guide you through initial setup steps. After clicking, wait for the interface to load any necessary settings or options. After that, click on Done to finalize the initial setup. This confirmation allows you to exit the setup process and return to the main calendar view. To add more views to your calendar, click on Add New View. This option is useful if you want to create different formats or categories within your calendar, such as weekly or monthly views. Next, click on Calendar from the options that appear. This selection will enable you to establish a calendar view, allowing for better organization of your events and tasks. Once you've chosen the calendar view, click on Done to save your changes. This step ensures your newly created view is now part of your calendar setup. Finally, click on a blank space once again within the calendar view. This action will allow you to begin adding events to your calendar, making it functional and personalized for your needs.